So that is, you are referring to the case in Patna or anywhere else? Because in Patna, there is an FIR on this.
Yes. FIR has been registered. My petitioner produced the FIR also. 13 people were arrested, and we do not know much about what has happened. Even after this arrest and the FIR being lodged, the National Testing Agency came out with a press release saying that everything is fine.
No, but you know, there's an established system here, I'm told, because one of the people who has been arrested in Patna is a known sort of, he's a middleman.
Yeah.
And he also has been caught in one more case, UPSC case?
Bihar State.
Bihar Public Service Commission case. He's a professional leaker.
Yeah, there are a lot like him. People know them by name. People know the syndicate. No one takes action.
What do you mean there are a lot like him?
There are a lot like them. Like the one you mentioned there is in Bihar. The similar one is in UP. Similar one is in Bangalore. There are state-wise mafias. They are called setters. They are called like consultants. And this is the whole syndicate.
What is the system doing here? Like?
I don't know why are they not taking action, and I haven't never told these things to my students, but because I never wanted to demotivate them. There are students like this.
कहना तो पड़ेगा ना?
I don't know. We have learned to live with that, but we cannot live with this anymore.
No, but you are a very popular. You have to tell them the truth.
We cannot live this anymore.
No, you can't live with you. When you went to the court, I'm sure something's driving you to do this.
Yeah, the pain of a student, the tear of a student.
What are students telling you? What are your students telling you?
The students are telling that they no more believe in the National Testing Agency. They are having doubts on the whole education system, and they are weeping, they are crying. They are prepared for 3 to 4 years. Now they are not going to get college. They are asking me, Alexa, what should I do? What should I do? I said,
shall I tell you what you should do? From my experience, challenge the system, question the system.
I have been doing that.
Put pressure.
I have been doing that.
Put pressure. Put pressure. This is injustice being done.
For the last 7 days, I have been going to channels.
This is absolute injustice.
Going to Supreme Court, I am doing nothing.
No, we should do more on this. What should happen? Advocate Sumit Sodhi, what is the option here? If the Supreme Court has said here that the sanctity of the examination process has been compromised, then...
Let me tell you,
yeah.
To me, I think it's too early to say that there is a scam. There might be irregularities, there might be goof-ups by the department, but I don't think we've reached a stage where we can term it as a scam as of now. Can I rule out the possibility of a scam? No. But let there be investigation, let there be inquiry. Now, who's to inquire? The same department whose misdeeds have resulted into this injustice to students cannot certainly be the one investigating or inquiring. There has to be an independent inquiry by somebody else.
My point is, I partially
before Supreme Court.
I partially agree to it. My point is, if something wrong has happened, it's a malfunction. It's a problem in a database event. So you should accept it. Not accepting it and hiding it is also a scam. I'm just talking about
Absolutely.
that.
Now, what is in fact funny is the manner in which they respond. First, they admit that there is malpractice, there is impersonation. That's their own press release.
Yeah.
Second, what they do is they say that we have given some compensatory marks on the basis of answering efficiency. Now, this is term which is unknown to law. I don't know where they've got this from. They refer to some petition which is filed by some students as if the High Court has directed them to give these compensatory marks. 1,500 students, 1,563 if I'm not wrong, got these marks.
One of these 6 candidates who scored 720 out of 720 was somehow part of our app only, because we teach at minimum price, so a lot of students enroll. And we checked his score throughout the year. It was 630, 640, 630, 640. I called him in the office. I asked him, you cannot score 720. Tell me the truth. He said, sir, I didn't attempt one question even. I left one question.
Didn't attempt one question. So
let me just add one point.
So got grace marks.
No, he was scoring 660. He told me, I came back from the examination, I calculated, it was 660, and finally I got 720. I said, don't know how.
So he's All India rank holder number 1?
Yes. And he left one question in the examination.
He left one question?
Yes.
This is madness.
This is madness. This is not the proof that the answer efficiency is right.
How is he feeling? He would not be feeling great about it either.
His family is not feeling great about it. They are saying that we are hiding like some thieves or something. We haven't done anything incorrect.
So that's a problem. They also can't celebrate this. He would have got through anyway.
See, I don't know whether he is telling the truth or lying.
No, but
that's
another
point.
720 is a crazy score.
It's a crazy number.
What's the highest score you've heard? 720?
It's the highest score. 720 out of 720. That's complete
what do
score.
people usually get?
Usually 1 or 2 kids get 720 every year.
1 or 2?
1 or 2.
And this year?
Never greater than 3. This year 67.
It's madness.